What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What is good? So, in today's video, your girl is going to be making Rasta pasta. Yeah. So, the ingredients you need to gather are some shrimp. I got 2 bags of it because I like mine really shrimpy. I ordered this one from somewhere and I got this one from Walmart. You need rigatoni pasta. Whipping cream. You need whipping cream. You need seasoning salt. And baby, you need traditional jerk seasoning. You really need this jerk seasoning. You need some butter. You need some cheese. Usually I would use mozzarella cheese, but I realized I ran out before I started getting prepared to cook it. So today I'm going to be using Monterey Jack cheese. You need to you want to chop up some onions, red peppers, green peppers, and yellow peppers. But I don't have no green pepper because I used it all I just made this a few days ago. I just wanted to make it again here on my YouTube. So, I'm going to be cooking this today on my skillet because I like my skillet better. So yeah, that's what we're finna do. So y'all, I'm heating my skillet up. I'm putting it on 350. So, because I'm going to cook the shrimp on the skillet, and I'm also going to cook the peppers on this skillet as well. So, the first thing you want to do is wash your hands. I already washed mine. And I'm going to say, go ahead and start cooking your pasta until it's al dente.
What's good, baby, baby? So I am just noticing that, oh my goodness, my hair has dripped all on my shirt, and that's why you see black spots on my shirt. But let's just focus on the business at hand, how to make the pasta.
I'm going to use, I think I'm only going to use 1 bag. So y'all, I decided I'm only going to make 1 batch of the pasta because I don't think I have enough whipping cream to make my sauce. So I'm only going to make 1 batch of the pasta. So I'm going to now defrost my shrimp, and do they got tails on them? They already deveined, there's no tail on them, and I'm going to start cooking them. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let y'all see that. Baby, baby, let's get right on into it.
Baby, the first thing you want to do is put some butter on that skillet or your frying pan, whatever you choose to use, and then throw your shrimp on there. And make sure you separate them, get them all flat and ready to cook. And then you want to prepare to season your shrimp. Okay? So I use Lowry's seasoning salt. I eyeball my seasonings. I don't measure them. I just simply eyeball them and shake a little bit on there until I feel like it's ready. Then I'm going to go in and use some garlic salt. I'm going to put some of that on there. I pretty much eyeball that as well. You should do the same as well. Eyeball it until you feel like it's enough seasoning. Don't put too much because you might have some salty shrimp. And yeah, so I use a skillet because it saves us dishes and it cooks just as well as a pot. So honestly, that's why I'm using the skillet. I suggest you get one too, or you can use your pot. It doesn't matter. Then I'm going to go in with my jerk seasoning and use my jerk seasoning on there. Now, this stuff gets extremely hot, so I suggest you to use I use about 3 teaspoons on this. It gets extremely spicy, y'all. So use 3 teaspoons. If you like yours hot, you may want to use a little bit more, but only 3 teaspoons. And stir it in and mix it in. That's what I'm doing here. I'm mixing it all over, mixing it in. And yeah, 3 teaspoons is just enough. I'm telling you, that thing won't be spicy. So you want to go ahead and just let your shrimp cook. Me personally, I wanted to speed things up because my noodles were ready. So I'm mixing them up and letting them cook, trying to get them to cook faster. You see a lot of smoke, but it's fine. It's cooking very nicely. And they're well seasoned. We're just waiting for them to cook on both sides. So I'm just going. So, whoa, they done. Oh, look at them. That's how you know they done, baby, baby. Oh my God. So now you are going to take your shrimp off and put your peppers on. Let them cook in the same spices that you let your shrimp cook in, and pour some water on them and just let them cook through until they get nice and soft. And look how they look. Ooh, yes. Next step is to strain your noodles. And then you're going to be prepared to make your sauce. So I'm going to use some whipping cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and season my whipping cream. I told y'all I eyeball my seasoning. So I eyeball some seasoning salt in there. Don't forget to put butter, because I almost forgot to put butter. So then I went in and I added about a tablespoon of butter. Meanwhile, I forgot to turn the pot on. Peep that I didn't turn it on yet. So yeah, I added about a tablespoon of butter. And then I'm going to turn the pot on and let it cook up. Now I'm finally turning it on. I forgot to turn it on. Then I'm going to add my jerk seasoning. Baby, look, listen, this stuff is hot. So I'm only adding, let's see, 1, 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. That's all I added in mine, because that stuff gets extremely hot. I know how hot it is. If you want it extremely hotter than what I put, then baby, by all means, add more. But yeah, so I'm whisking it up, getting it all nice and ready. I see it's starting to cook up real nicely. So then, stir it up some more. Whisk, 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 whisk. Next, you add cheese. So normally I would use mozzarella cheese, but I ran out. So I'm going to be using my Kobe Monterey Jack cheese, and it works just as good. And I'm going to let that cook up until the cheese starts to melt and everything just starts to come together perfectly. So I just pretty much just poured it in and let it cook up. I eventually ended up using more of the other pack as well. Just a little bit though, not too much cheese. And I pour it all in. Look at that.
I left my shrimp on the skillet so they can stay hot. As you can see, they still steaming. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour those in. The shrimp and the peppers. Pour them in. And go ahead and mix. Ooh, baby, baby. Mix that up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna let y'all see how this looks in 2 seconds, but I'm just letting you know right now. This, my friends, is Rasta pasta. So guys, this is the finished product with the Rasta pasta.